Hey guys, welcome back. So today we have a 2017 C7 Grand Sport in the shop. Now this one's going to be here for a good bit of stuff. Now this one's severely scratched up. It's got swirls all over it, deep scratches on it. All the plastic is actually faded on the car quite a bit. The wheels are going to get taken off, completely polished, and they're going to be completely coated, as well as the paint and the plastic. Now, on this car, we're also going to be doing our soft top coating, so this fabric top's can actually be coated, as well as the full interior package on this car. Now, the engine bay will be done, and then once the top is dropped, you can actually see painted, and it's painted in the center, so that's all going to be completely polished and coated. So this car is going to be going through a good bit of stuff. Now, for a 17 model, it really looks amazing. Now, besides the scratches, swirls, and the fading and other things, but for the actual condition of the car itself, it looks amazing. 5,300 and some change on the mileage, but it's really rare to see a car just like this well kept. So we'll take you guys in and show you what we're going to be doing to it, and we'll see you guys soon. Bye for now.